Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to enable cross-sell functionality in your WooCommerce website. So this one is my demo website, and now we need to install a new plugin. Here you can go and search for a plugin shop lantern. You can install this plugin, and this plugin comes with two variants. You can use free variant as well as the premium. Here you can see I have installed both of these. After that, let's go back to the plugin settings. Then click on modules, scroll down, and here you can click on settings and enable this one, cross sell pop-up module. Then after that, click on settings. So now let's go to product page and edit any of the product. On this page, scroll down, and here you can link some product for the cross sells. So let me add some keyword here. So I have added these three products in the cross sells. After that, click on update. Now let's go and view this product. Click on add to bag, and now here you can see we got pop-up for these cross sells.